Hi, my name is Dhruv Patel. I'm one of the Data Science Apprentices here at Toyota. Started this journey second year of A-levels when I was starting researching what's best to do outside of university. And obviously then, research, found some good companies, good places to be. And yeah, here I am, 2-3 years later. The misconception around automotive is you think it's your greasy hands, get out your spanners, get out your toolbox and open up a bonnet, oh yeah, fix this, fix that. It's not actually, there's a lot that goes into purchasing a car, and I think that's something I have found myself is there's so many moving parts that you don't actually think about. I mean, I've always recommended it to anyone who's not just thinking about automotive, also the apprenticeship route is definitely something to go into. It really does set yourself up, but yeah, definitely buzzing. There's a lot of change that's coming, especially in the industry. If you're thinking about working in automotive, be willing to learn. That way, you'll enjoy it more. You'll start to find a passion for it, and then that's your life set.